Hi, it's Sandro, and here's how to think like a pro. If you think in 2026 you can go into a trading week, an investing week, or just a week in finance in general on the market without planning and without doing analysis before the market opens, you're completely mistaken. Most important part of the analysis happens during the weekend. I'm sharing the most important concept at the end of this video. This is what I'm going to look at for the dollar this week. So number one is going to be Trump's tariff. So he's going to find two trend solution, and we might have a lot of volatility. A little tips, you can look at the VIX, which is the volatility index of the S&P 500. If it goes up, it means there's going to be more uncertainty on the market and more fear. Still on macroeconomy and geopolitics, I'm going to look at the US-Iran evolution and to see if there's still tension or if the problem gets resolved. This will likely have consequences on oil, as we know oil is really correlated with Iran. Number three, this is only now when I'm going to start to do my technical analysis, not before. And even it's not that much of technical analysis, but I'm going to take a look at different indexes. So the DXY, which is the index of the dollar, and also the US 10Y, which is the bond market. So you see, I'm not only focused on the chart or just one market, I'm looking at all the market, the commodities market with oil, bonds market with the US 10Y. Use it to understand if investors require more return for their investment on the 10-year US treasuries. And then number four, the economy calendar. So I'm not just going to look at the economy calendar and look at the previous data and then the expectation of that data. I'm going to go and analyze the data, the many previous data, to see if there's a mean, an average of all those data, and where I could expect future data to go based on that analysis as well. And then after doing all that, then I'm going to do my technical analysis and to find some positions on the US dollar. But you see that between 1, 2, 3, and 4, there was not much technical analysis. It was mainly analyzing data, understanding why the market is moving a certain way based on that market driver. So in that case, it was Trump's tariffs and US-Iran tensions. So for people that tell you can go on the market without analyzing what's going on around the market, they are completely mistaken. It's very important to understand everything about macroeconomy, not only in trading, I just talked about trading, but also investing, in order to understand why you invest in that stock, for what reason. If you want to get that full dollar analysis for this week, DM me the word dollar and I'll send it to you. And don't forget to follow Sandro to think like a pro.